Welcome to the channel, everyone. We're at Baie-Saint-Paul, Quebec. We're here to repair a microprocessor problem on a BR-275, 1996. The complaint was the customer brought it inside his shop because of a leaky oil on his drive lines. Replaced the lines and filled up the oil, but went to use the machine again and nothing. So let's take a look what the microprocessor has to say, and we'll find what the problem is. Hold on and we'll take a look at that. This is the BR-275 that we're here to work on. And now we're going to verify the microprocessor. This is the scanner we're going to be using. I just connected it on to the microprocessor here. That little blue box there. Connected right down underneath. So now we're going to turn on the switch. We're going to start up the machine. See right now, it says the right side F&R is stuck forward, but if I move the left one, it disappears. See, the left one seems to be working fine. It's the right one that seems to be stuck. So let's take a look at what the scanner says. And what we need to do is push F4 on the microprocessor. So I'm going to touch F4 right now. All right. Now we're going to push F1 one time. And this is all the text. Expected RPM, which would be the TPS. It don't seem like it's working at all. F2, scroll down, high speed, the hardware. Okay, let's push F1 again. Fault log, F22, temp. MSS, motor speed sensor. Tiller speed pot. And that's it. Battery. Pulse pickup. Looks like there's a lot of stuff. We're going to clear these faults, yes and no. You push F3 and F4 together. Hold on, F3 and F4 together, and it'll say yes. So I accepted. F2 again to see if there's any more faults. No more faults. That means it was all registered faults. F1. These are the thresholds, how to adjust the tracks. All right, so this machine is not cooperating, so we're gonna go into factory reset. Turn this off. Okay, we're gonna proceed on the calibration here. We did but install that other resistor that was missing. I'm going to push F1 and start it. It says cal, start. Let go F1. Numbers 1, 2, 9. We're going to proceed with the F&Rs. 1 and 2 will disappear. Speed pot. The speed pot is located right there. This little bio here. all the way forward and back. It'll take number 4 away. The tiller speed pot. The tiller speed pot, by the way, needs to be replaced. Takes 5 away. Now we're going to proceed with the throttle position sensor. We're going to accelerate the engine full throttle and then back it down to 2,000. Then push F3. Back it down to 2,000. When I push F3, the red light will turn off and then come back on. Down to 1,500. F3, hold, red light turns off, comes back on. And all the way back down to 0. You will only have 8 and 9. 8 and 9 is left and right final drives. You don't need to do this. Well, you got number 5, which is still there, which is the tiller speed pot, and there's a fault on there. So it'll have to be changed. Oh, hold on a sec. Let's put the resistor back. I stole the resistor out of it. The resistor is right here. Back on there. Down. Let's try the speed pot for the tiller. And it should take away number 5. And it did not. It don't really matter. F1. F1 again. It should bring you back to M set. With a fault code, which is the tiller speed pot, which is 5. So let's try this thing if it'll move. Okay, we're about to go calibrate this thing, and I'm gonna. C'est ça là que je t'ai dit, la pompe qui reste engagée un peu là. I'm going to push F4 for the screen here. She's upside down. Try to get some of the blur out. I'm going to push F1 to change screens for thresholds. That's the threshold. Vers la droite. So it's pulling to the right, he says. It's hard to see. Tire vers la droite. On va commencer par le minimum. Fait que tu vas le mettre au minimum de traction. Au plus lent. Là, va vers l'avant, je vais voir qu'est-ce qu'il fait. We're going to see what it does going forward. Okay. Stop. Arrête. We're going to slow down the left side. Vas-y. Slow it down a bit more. Complètement au fond, de reculons, je veux dire les manettes. Okay. Okay, we're going to adjust the backwards. Bouge pas. Arrête direct là. Left reverse. Il est tassé à gauche.
Oui.
We're gonna minus 13, minus 14, minus 15 for reverse. Reculons encore. Après ça, tu vas aller du devant, la même affaire.
On va laisser passer.
Ouais, ouais. Il y a de l'air pas pire de reculons. Les deux manettes à fond en avant. Two front steers forward. Un petit peu à droite. Okay, we're going to speed up the right track. I went a little bit too far. Now we're going to go left forward, left reverse, right forward, speed up. Vas-y. Reculons. Là, il tasse à gauche.
Ouais.
Arrête. Now we gotta do the reverse. It's going too fast, reverse. So we're gonna slow down. Essaye de reculons. Hein? On va recommencer le devant. Parce que aussitôt qu'on dérange un bord, il faut compenser. OK. Arrête là. Tire à droite. We're going to adjust the right side slow. Right forward. Slow the right. No. Speed up the right forward. Say. Et le reculons. Ça approche, là. Tu le resserreras pour être sûr. On est quasiment dedans, là. Bon, enligne-toi bien droite. We're gonna straighten up. Tu peux l'enligner bien droite. On va faire la vitesse vite à cette heure. Now we're gonna do the fast forward. OK, arrête là 2 secondes. OK. Va de reculons. Come backwards. OK. Forward. OK, ça, on est pas loin, là. Tire à droite. OK. Pulling towards the right, so the left forward max, we're going to slow it down. Recule. OK, du devant. Okay, we're going to slow down a little bit more. Je viens de le baisser. Commence le reculon. Backwards. Okay, forward. Okay, slow down a little more. Okay, reculons. Bouge pas. Ça, on peut pas l'avoir parfait, parfait. Là, je t'ai enlevé 2, mais je t'en mets une. Fait que je te le remets à 90. Essaye-les. It was at 91. We brought it down to 89, brought it back up to 90. Okay, we're going to bring it back down, bring it back up to, à droite ou à gauche? So we're going to speed up one more. Okay. Correct, Lou? Okay, now we're going to save the parameters and shut it off and save it. Okay, the machine is now repaired. At first, the complaint was machine not moving nowhere, and I was not able to calibrate it. It was because one of those resistors behind the seats was, the seat was missing. See, they removed the seat, and I guess they must have hooked it, and we found the resistor on the floor. So I did a factory reset just the same, and recalibrate it. Now it pulls nice and straight. Also, the drive pump on this side was stroking all the time, so I backed it off. And there's another thing that I can never, ever say too much about. Welding. Okay, guys, when you're welding and it's still connected to the machine, disconnect not only the battery, disconnect the microprocessor. Take a gander of this machine. It's a 1996. Now she's running pretty good. Customer's happy. We're gonna go downstairs, and on the second floor there's an old thiocol I want to show you guys. Be right back. 1952 thiocol, being totally restored. The guy has more patience than I do. And yes, fellas, the guy's still married. A V4 Ford. Doing a great job. And they have a unique way of rebuilding tracks too. Let me show you this. Hold this up. Using planks. You guys want this idea? It's patent. So this will be it for this video, and we'll see you on the next one.